All rise. Judge policy court is not in session. Judge, this is the case of Schaefer.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Mr. Schaefer, you brought this case before the court, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, go ahead. What's going on?
Well, my son was married to the respondent, and he died. They had a child that's now 3 years old that has been left in my custody, and I'm asking for some sort of relief or support because I'm retired from the military and on a fixed income.
Okay. First of all, my condolences for the loss of your son, and thank you for your service as well.
Oh, thank you.
How long has the child lived with you?
2 years.
2 years. Has mom given you any support for the child?
No, she hasn't.
She hasn't bought anything.
Not significantly, no.
Okay, this case is going to get crazy, so buckle up. A retired military veteran is raising his 3-year-old grandson by herself, and the child's mother is living the high life, traveling the world, and spending a cool $5,000 a month on a fancy condo. The worst part is that she hasn't paid any child support at all, and now she's in court attempting to explain why she can afford to jet set, but not her own child. Will the judge accept her justifications, or is reality about to hit her like a legal freight train?
I've just now come to the point where I need some relief and I need some help.
I agree with that. Ma'am?
Well, I've been traveling. My job had me traveling a lot, and I was in between jobs. I'm making $35,000 now.
Okay.
And, you know, I'm not...
Where are you traveling?
Well, I'm a travel agent.
Okay.
So because of that, I can just travel. I get discounts, and I get to fly free. So...
Oh, my God, that is amazing.
So,
but that has nothing to do with you giving some sort of financial support
I didn't
to
have
this.
it.
Excuse me, I was talking. That has nothing to do with you giving financial support to this man for the support of your child. Your child, not his child. Your child.
It is my child, that is correct. But like I said, my job had me traveling, and I really didn't have the extra money.
What are you doing with yourself every day? What do you do? Tell me about your travel.
Well, I had got this new condo for one thing, and you know that.
Wait a minute, you got a condo and you're traveling.
Yeah.
But how much?
Let me clarify. Grandpa is out here retired on a fixed income doing everything for this child, and mom has been traveling for work and living her best life. But she hasn't contributed anything to the child's upbringing, not even a small grocery budget or a Target gift card. If that doesn't make your blood boil, wait, things are about to get worse.
Well, I'd rather not say.
No, I'd rather you say.
Because-
How much is this condo?
It's pretty steep. It's pretty steep.
Ma'am, what does that
And
mean? That means nothing to me. Steep. You know how many people come in here with things that are steep? I need a number.
I like to live nice, and so I pay $5,000.
See, you know what? You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
really,
you did.
I didn't. And I
Ma'am,
really
yes, you
didn't
did.
have
I've
the
asked
extra
you a very specific question. How much is your condo?
money. Well, I pay $5,000 a month.
$5,000 a month? Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
is this 3-year-old in daycare?
Yes, he's in preschool because he has some special needs.
How much is daycare?
Daycare runs about $300 a week.
$300 a week.
Don't you get some kind of this?
And don't you just need to wait your turn until I come to you.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not talking to you.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir, $300 a week. And what type of special needs does the child have?
He's
Hold on. Did she really just state that she can't spare any money for a child's care even though she spends $5,000 a month for a condo that she doesn't even live in all the time? The arithmetic isn't working, people. This is when the judge's patience runs out, and to be honest, the same.
Aim.
Okay. Does he have to, you have to pay for like any medical expenses?
he needs special counseling, and of course he has regular doctor visits.
Counseling? Does mom show up to any of those doctor's visits or anything?
Well, no, of course I haven't always told her, but I
Exactly.
haven't expected her.
Exactly. You haven't given him any money either.
Well,
Well, I'm not talking to you still.
Now, I don't have anything against my former daughter-in-law. I mean, she was married to my son, but I do need a little more involvement and a little help.
I agree with you. It definitely, if she's spending $5,000 a month on a condo, I don't even stay in a condo,
I
ma'am.
need that.
Okay, but I need a condo. Can you give me your condo? Exactly. So your child support based on $35,000 a year. Are you carrying any type of health insurance on the child?
See, that's another thing. Since on the child,
Yes.
well, the child is autistic, so the child gets a check. So I don't understand why you need my money.
Okay.
Because you get assistance from the government with
Excuse
the
me.
kids. I mean, my child.
Excuse me. Last time I checked, I was the judge.
You are.
Okay, thanks. That means that I asked the questions and I addressed him. He addressed me.
Okay.
You do not address him.
All right.
Okay.
Understand.
How much is health insurance for the child only?
I have no idea what health insurance is for the child.
So obviously you don't pay it. Sir, how much is health insurance for the child
It's
only?
just short of $400.
Short for the child only?
Yes,
Ma'am, you...
I'm covered under the VA.
Well, I
No.
thought he was getting
No,
government.
well, I thought you should have been giving him something for child support. So we're going to go ahead and make...
Whoa, here's another shocking revelation. This young boy has autism, which means that his care necessitates additional therapy and financial outlays. Mom hasn't even been attending doctor's appointments, making calls, visiting, or checking her mail. But she still has the gall to come in here and act as though she's the one receiving unfair treatment, which makes sense.
today. And the child has been living with you for the past 2 years, you say?
2 years.
So not only am I going to make you pay child support, ma'am, you're going to pay back pay as well.
I can't afford that.
Guess what? Sell your condo, then you can afford that. So I have your gross based on $35,000 a year at $2,916.67. And you said the health insurance is $400 a month?
Yes.
That's pretty steep based on, well, not that your coverage is not steep, but in Texas, we're only allowed to take 9% of her gross. So based on 9%, it'll be $262.50.
Will that start? Can you give me maybe 3 months before that starts? I can rebudget my bills.
Let me think about that. No. So $262.50.
I had a question. Why are you being so hard on me?
Ma'am, I'm not being hard on you. You have not given this man any type of child support to support
not
your child.
happen.
And then you come to court and say you don't have money, but you travel and you have a $5,000 a month condo, but you don't give him anything a month.
I don't have it. I just don't have
Well,
it.
I can't help you. So it's going to be, I have your child support obligation. And how many children do you have? I'm sorry, ma'am.
Just one.
One child.
A few. Then a hammer appears. Girl, you've had 3 years to step up, and that fancy condo is looking rather needless right now. In addition to being smacked with child support, she is now facing back pay from the judge, which is not playing around today. Can we also talk about her attempting to negotiate 3 more months before payments begin?
20%. Let's see here. Sir, you said you all have a cordial relationship. Are you okay with continuing that health insurance?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And are you seeking any type of reimbursement from her on the health insurance?
No, I mean, it's all in the past.
Okay. Okay. Well, you got really lucky. He cut you a break. So your child support obligation, your net comes out to $2,466.03. Your child support obligation comes out to $394.56. Now your back child support, that $394.56, you have to pay that back from the time that the child has lived with
Oh,
Mr.
wow,
Schaefer.
that's not
Yes,
fair.
ma'am. In Texas, it goes back 4 years. Your child is 3. So with that calculation, it comes out to $14,204.16 to be paid monthly at an amount of $200. That makes your total child support obligation set at, well, I'm gonna make it $300 because $14,000 is a huge amount. So that makes your monthly child support obligation $694.56.
I got some bills that I can show you. I just can't afford that.
And you know what? He has bills that he can show me as well, and you have not done anything. And you're lucky that he cut you a break because I didn't have to let him do that. Is there anything further, Mr. Schaefer?
That's all that I have.
Can
ma'am.
we talk and maybe we can talk one another and see if we can come up with an agreement.
You're more than welcome to do that at a later date, but right now I just made my ruling. Do you have any other questions
I
pertaining to
guess
this?
not, since I have to pay all this money.
Okay, well, I guess you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it, everyone. The judge finally cut through the lies and delivered a powerful decision. After hearing all the excuses and uncovering the truth, the court sided with the real hero in the story, the grandfather. For years, he stepped up and raised his grandchild alone, while the child's mother was nowhere to be found. No support, no involvement, just silence. Meanwhile, Grandpa made sacrifices most people can't even imagine, putting the child first while carrying the full emotional and financial burden. Now, justice has spoken. The court has ordered over $144,000 in back wages to be paid, along with about $700 a month in ongoing child support. It's not just a win for Grandpa, it's a win for accountability and for every caregiver who's ever been left to do it all alone. But here's the question, did the judge go far enough? Some argue that the mother got off easy considering the years she was missing in action. Should she have been ordered to pay more? Should there be consequences beyond just money? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Was this ruling fair, too soft, or exactly right? Cases like this remind us how deep the impact is when one parent walks away and how strong those are who stay behind and do the hard work every single day. If this case shocked you or made you think differently about family court and child support, hit that like button and share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom stories where truth, drama, and justice collide. Until next time, stay informed, stay bold, and support the ones who truly show up when it matters most.